Hey guys, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I have a much requested subscription box. I've had a lot of y'all ask for period subscription boxes. And so this is War Panty Power, and that's exactly what they do. So whenever I reached out to them and said, hey, people keep asking me for great menstruation or period boxes, can I check yours out? They said yes. So it is a monthly box. And it ships about the last week of every month. It's $37.50, and that includes free 2-day shipping. They do ship internationally. You do have to pay the rates for that, but it is an offering that they have, which is not something I find very often. And then if you use code PINKENVELOPE here, you get 30% off your first box. So inside of the box, every single month, there are 15 100% organic period products. If you do not need period products, such as tampons and pads, things like maybe you're pregnant or maybe you're menopausal or transgender, you can select to receive no products and receive one additional gift. I think that's actually pretty cool. So this is a box that is welcome to everyone. You choose from pads, tampons, or mix, and they come in all types, sizes, with wings, etc. You also get 2 pair of underwear. You choose thongs, no thongs, or mix, and they have sizes small through XXXLarge. And then you get about 3 to 5 lifestyle, beauty type products, skincare, and snacks. So enough talking, let's see what's in the actual box. This says, welcome to the May box full of joy. So I am not spoiling anything for y'all. I wasn't quite sure what's inside this month's box, and it recaps everything that I said, plus the items that they included for this month. This on top is a little information about organic cotton cover pads. I'm wondering if this is the brand of product that's in the box. We'll find out soon. I happen to think this is so pretty. I think the name is incredibly unique. I thought the box was really cool. And now on the inside, it's so beautiful. Perfect, like Mayflowers showing here. Okay, here we go. I'm not gonna touch anything, so I want y'all to be able to see everything. Woo! I threw one of the wipes. So on top are your Vaginius Good Wipes Down There wipes in rose water. There's one in each package, so it looks like there are 2 in the box. Do you guys remember? I ate these all the time as a kid. I mean, I have not had one since I was a kid. The Choco Pie Banana. Funny thing is, I don't like banana. Bananas are disgusting to me. They freak me out. But I'm pretty good with banana flavored, and I love these. Oh, these are so good. These bars, I am gluten-free, so I buy the gluten-free version of these, and then my kids eat these. These are so, so good. Then next we have the organic cotton menstrual tampons. And so there's 1, 2, 3, 4 in the Super Plus, green I think is Super Plus. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the Plus. I think that's right. Let's see if it's on here. So here are these. This may be TMI, but I have super heavy periods, like super, super heavy periods. And they have shortened for me. I was running it like 12 days, and then I would put in, PMS before and then recovery after, and literally my cycle was taking up an entire month. We've done a few different things to try to pare that down and to get things better. I am down to about a 7 to 9 day period cycle, with day 2 being so bad, you guys, most of the time I can't even leave my house. I have to stay home. So I am all about the super, super plus and anything above super plus when it comes to feminine products. And then on here are liners. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 large liners. And it looks like 1 smaller liner. So I'm just gonna open a large liner so you guys can see. So here is a large liner. I don't know, to me this would be a large long liner, which is exactly what I have to wear, so this is great for me. And it does have wings, another great thing. You definitely can tell they're organic cotton and the good quality organic cotton. Which once again, if you're like me and you have a really heavy cycle, this makes a world of difference, because if I have to wear something sometimes up to 12 days. And when my cycle's so heavy, I can't wear a tampon. This would just come out. Your skin gets so irritated with other brands. I don't want to list any, but my skin gets so irritated. So this is great, great, great. Fruit snacks. These are yummy. A cappuccino candy. That's always a win. And then it looks like I got Skin Chemist Rose Illuminating Glow Peel Off Mask. And let's open this guy. So there we go. It's pretty. Love that pink. Let's see if it smells. Yep, like rose. Like rose. Not overly strong, but not, I mean, it's a distinct scent. If you're sensitive to scents, that might be a bit much. I wouldn't call myself sensitive, but I don't like scented things as a whole, but that actually does not bother me. So there's that. And then we have Zion Health Acne Terminator Fast Action Detox Clay Cream. That's me, man. I don't know if you guys can see right here. I have a couple popping up. I'm supposed to be starting it any day. So I actually love the timing of opening this box with you guys. Also, so much TMI. Sorry, I'm like telling you about my whole life. Cleanse skin thoroughly before applying medication. Cover the entire area with a thin layer 1 to 3 times daily. Because excessive drying of skin may occur, start with 1 application daily and then increase. I'm definitely gonna try this on my really, really bad days where I can't seem to get, I'll hit like one spot typically right here that it won't get under control. I'm going to give this a try and I'll loop back. You can see on Instagram. That's where I post updates on the boxes. Since YouTube has not released a feature where I can update videos on here yet. Although I do have YouTube stories now. I have YouTube stories. I'm going to have to reprogram myself to start optimizing that more. In here is Think Lab Foot Cream Milky Care. Bar soap. Several of y'all commented that this letter opener that I use to open my boxes, that I need to just start sliding underneath here to opening these, and it works so well. No, it's not a bar soap. It is like an actual foot cream. Ooh, it just smells clean, like super, super clean. You can see it's got a really great creamy texture. And then next I have the Clean Amina Volumizing Mascara. Ooh. So I am still wearing my Flutter Habit fake lashes, but I do want to take a break in between because I don't know that they'll hurt my lash line, but I don't want to find out the hard way that they might. So that is great to get mascara because when I take the break, I'm going to need it. And then here are my 2 undies. It says undies value at $8 to $25 depending on what you get that month. I got, oh my gosh, you guys, these are insanely soft, like very, very soft. They are Seamless Undies by Vince Camuto, which is a brand I absolutely love. Size small, which is perfect for me. I love the color too. This would be great under dresses. And then a super cute little thong. Once again, this guy is super soft also. Who is this one by? Daisy Fuentes. So love the underwears. Now I'm seeing why some of the undies have a value of $25. These are great brands. Okay, so in this box, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tampons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pads. We'll just count those as 2 things because that's like a grouping. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 items in high quality, high brand undies, $37.50. I think that is a very, very good deal. And think about it, for under $40, you can gift yourself this little box. And once again, this may be running into a TMI subject, but I, as a girl who has a really heavy cycle, constantly have to replace my sheets and constantly have to replace my undies because accidents happen. And after a couple of times, you just don't want to wear them anymore. You want to get rid of them. And so I literally cycle my new underwear for when I'm not on my period, and then my old underwear for when I'm on my period, and then I throw those away and I keep this cycle going. Well, if you get 2 new underwear in every box, you don't have to stress anymore constantly trying to make sure you're keeping everything so perfect, which to me is incredibly stressful. For $37.50, I'm gonna get all my well, not all, but I'll get a good chunk of feminine products. I'm gonna get underwear. I'm gonna get applicable skincare, applicable like lifestyle beauty things, and snacks. I think this is amazing. So just looking here real quick, running some totals, running retail value, not counting this, not counting this, not counting like all the snacks and stuff they add on. With just this stuff right here, that is well over $100 value, which means at $37, I've already got a kick-a deal. But then these things all just showed up complimentary. I think as the more I'm like processing this, the more I am impressed with Rose War Panty Power. Each box is guaranteed to have 70 plus in value. Check mark. Oh, and they have an online boutique called Mikshi. I actually have the dark green elbow sleeve sweater, but it's not like a heavy sweater. It's actually really, really light. And I also have the never ending 2-piece from there, and I have other items, but I don't know if they're still available. But if you go on their website, which is really easy and really cute to use, you can shop the Mikshi boutique as well. Okay, Rose War Panty Power. This is awesome. I am super impressed. I give this box a big thumbs up. If you guys want to check it out, use pink envelope for 30% off your first box. And I say, whoever you are, be willing to gift yourself this if you even remotely like it, because you can exchange these items here for one more gift item and still get the box, which is really cool and maybe a great way to introduce the whole feminine products thing to a younger generation, so that by the time these start getting added into something they're already comfortable with, it's not such an awkward transition. I'm loving that. I've got a 10-year-old. We're hitting that stage of life, and I'm loving that as a mom sitting here processing. Okay, guys, if you have other boxes like this one that you want to see me open, leave it in the comments below. Give me your thoughts on this box right here, because I would love to hear. And if you can sign up, go sign up. It's definitely going on a Samantha must-have list. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.